Folks, have you ever stayed up late, 3 bags of chips in, wondering about the meaning of it all? Okay, maybe that's just me after a particularly rough monologue. But seriously, haven't you ever wondered how societies decide what's fair, who gets power, and what rights we have? That's where political theory comes in. It's the ultimate deep dive into how we, the people, should organize ourselves. Think of it as the owner's manual for civilization, though good luck finding one with an easy setup guide. From Plato to AOC, brilliant minds have grappled with these questions for centuries. And guess what? You get to join the debate, because let's be honest, politics isn't just for politicians in stuffy suits. It's about the rules we live by, the values we cherish, and the future we build together. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of political theory. All right, let's talk power. No, not the kind Beyoncé sings about, though that's pretty awesome too. We're talking about the kind that makes the world go round, the ability to influence others, shape decisions, and, yes, maybe even rule the world in a benevolent way, of course. Political theory is obsessed with power. Who has it? Who should have it? And how it should be used. Is it a necessary evil? A tool for good, something in between. Think of it like this. Imagine power as a giant delicious pizza. Bear with me here. Some folks, like our old pal Machiavelli, might say, grab the biggest slice you can. It's a dog-eat-dog world. Others, like the idealistic folks over in Rousseau's camp, might suggest we divide it equally and share. But here's the kicker. How we answer these questions shapes the kind of world we live in. So, what's your pizza philosophy? Let's rewind a bit, shall we? Back to ancient Greece, where togas were in fashion and philosophers were the rock stars of their day. Two of the biggest names in the game, Plato and his student Aristotle. Now, these two were like the intellectual odd couple. Plato, the dreamer, envisioned a utopia ruled by philosopher kings, folks so wise and just they'd make Solomon look like an amateur. Aristotle, the pragmatist, was more down-to-earth, arguing for a system based on reason and balance. Imagine them arguing in a noisy Athenian marketplace. Plato's all justice is absolute, like the perfect circle. Aristotle's retorting, hold on, buddy, justice is about finding the mean, the middle ground. Their debate continues to this day, shaping how we think about fairness, equality, and the role of government. So, are you Team Plato or Team Aristotle? Choose wisely, my friends, because the fate of civilization might just depend on it.